kitty cats. So today I'm going to show you this. It is a box from Zainey Laney. And we'll get out my knife. My knife for cutting things. Ah. So, y'all, do not do this at home, kids. So what did I get from Zainey Laney? Don't get mad. She's over here getting ticked off because I've got a box up here and she thinks this is her space. That's long enough. So this got a little bent up, but that's okay. I can flatten this right out and witness the majesty of Jakku. Is that how you say it? I should know better because I love Star Wars, but the names of places always like evade me. I don't remember. And it tells you about the different things that we got here. So let's get right to it. These are wax melts from Zainey Laney, and you can, I'll have a link down below because you can get stuff at zaineylaney.com. And did I get any tokens? Yep. I gotta find my other token now. Collect 10 for 1 free clamshell. This is a clamshell one thing. Is it called a clamshell? So I'll be keeping that. And let me get this back out. Alright. The first one is Smuggler's Bride. Okay. When a certain princess became a general of the resistance, she became a role model for girls everywhere. With a sweet warm scent of cinnamon rolls, get it, and fried ice cream, this scent carries every bit of her strength. This is about Princess Leia. Carrie Fisher is like my love. I cry every time I see her on screen. It's just so sad for me. It's very, very cinnamony. I don't really think, maybe I smell ice cream a little bit. But it's very cinnamony. I love cinnamon scents, so this might get put in pretty soon, actually. And the next one is Destiny. Destiny with Ray. Oh, let me show you the picture. Because her brother draws these, Marshall, and they're just really amazing. Come on, focus. There we go. With Ray, yet another strong female character emerges. We are so excited to see how her story progresses. The combination of peach margaritas and rain represents her compassion and purpose. Ray is a really awesome character, actually. Oh my gosh. Laney. I can't get this open. It's not you, it's me. I can't get anything open these days. Oh. Oh. This is a very nice scent. It's very fresh. I think that I would probably want this in the spring though, so probably hold on to it for spring. It's very spring-like to me. I really like it though. The scent is nice. Okay, walking carpet. Gotta hide my face so that if it sees my face, it doesn't focus. Okay, he's large, he's furry. Don't you just want to squeeze him? The forest dweller turned adventurer would probably smell like cedar, apples, and cinnamon. Some more cinnamon. Oh, this is very manly scented. Like, it makes me think of like something I would want to smell on my man. It's very sexy. Maybe I'm really weird. The Chewbacca scent I find sexy. No, I really, really like that. I think it's the cedar. The cedar gives it that, you know, I don't know. I'm weird. What can you say? I'm just a weirdo. Okay, last one is Masters. Masters. Makes me masters of the universe. But that's not what this is. Masters. When masters die, their spirit lives on. With wisdom and presence, they are a constant force in a pupil's memory. Watermelon, basil, sage, and mint embody the lingering spirit of sages long past. So we've got watermelon, basil, and sage. I actually make a watermelon salad sometimes, and I put a little bit of basil in it, like fresh basil. Yeah, I actually like this, and I'm not a huge mint fan, but this does smell good to me. So that's all the scents in this one. This is the Distant Galaxy group here. I don't know what they call it. So, and you can get the whole thing on ZaineyLaney.com. And she now has like scents. Oh, this is cute. She put little kitty cat like washi tape on my thing. So she has like body sprays now. And I ordered sherbet lemon, which came from like the Harry Potter group that she had. And this is it's called sherbet lemon cake and fruity cereal is what it smells like. And I'm burning the wax melt one right now in the living room, and I love it so much. I love the smell. It makes me really happy. It smells like Fruit Loops and lemon. And it's kind of funny because I bought a wax melt before, like a long time ago, because I didn't used to be that into wax melts. I'm getting into them again. And I had bought this one before, and it was lemon pound cake or something like that. And it smelled an awful lot like Fruit Loops and lemon. And that's what this smells like. Except it makes more sense because this is supposed to be fruity cereal and lemon cake. So I don't know why that one smelled that way. But I like this one better. And I'm really excited to be able to spray it on me. Yeah. Oh God, yeah. This is... Come on. There we go. It's gonna be all over the sweater. Yep. Yes. Thank you. Thank you, Zainey Laney. Seriously, no, thank you. I'm really excited about this. Oh God, I love it. People are gonna be like, why do you smell like cereal and lemon pledge? But I think it's great. I love it so much. Oh, such a nice scent to have on. And I can smell it. You probably didn't even need to put that much on. It's kind of strong. So, and I'll put these wax melts in with the... I have a whole drawer for candles and wax melts and stuff. So, yay! Wasn't that fun? So I'll put the information below in, you know, the little description box for if you want to go look at Zainey Laney stuff and buy some things. And yeah, and get a body spray while you're at it. Get some wax melts. They have a whole bunch of different body sprays. Try them out. She's a really awesome person, and her brother is an awesome person, an amazing artist, and their products are really good. So thank you for watching, and please subscribe, share, give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and hit that bell if you want notifications. Okay? Bye bye, kitty cats.